Remove the toner cartridge. Remove the 3 screws on the back of the printer. On the bottom of the printer, release the 2 hooks of the front panel. Remove the front panel. Remove the left side panel. It has several hooks. This is the inside of the left panel. In the same way, remove the other side panel. To remove the separation pad assembly, remove the 2 screws. You can clean it with alcohol or water. Remove the upper cover. On the side there is a lever. You have to detach it. Remove the metal panel on the back. There are 2 hooks on the bottom. Remove the main board, detaching the flat cable and unscrewing all the screws. To remove the fuser unit, detach all the cables. To remove this connector, pull up the tab. On the left side of the fuser unit, remove the two screws. This is the first. This is the second screw. Remove this black plastic piece. Under the black plastic piece there is a screw. You can now remove the fuser unit. To remove the high voltage power supply, remove the screws of the metal panel. Remove the metal panel. The high voltage power supply has several screws. Detach the connectors. Remove this part. You can now remove the high voltage power supply. On the other side there are the gears. Remove the screws. Remove this lever. Take note of the position. Here you can find all the gears. To remove the scanner unit, remove the screws of the metal cover. Under the metal cover there is the scanner unit. It has 4 screws. This is the scanner unit. Reinstall the gears assembly. Reinstall the high voltage power supply with all the screws and the cables. Take note of the position of this cable. Reinstall the metal plate. Insert the fuser unit. It has 3 screws. Reinstall the black plastic part. Take note of the position of the cables. This is the fuser unit after the installation. Reinstall the main board with screws and cables. Insert the metal plate. Install the upper cover. Install the black lever in its position. Install the first side cover. Start from the hook in the bottom. Install the other side cover. Reinstall the front cover. Reinsert the 3 screws on the back of the printer. Put back the toner cartridge and the work is done.